Hey guys, Jake's Aviation here, and today back with another model unboxing and review. This time of the Gemini Jets 737-800 with the splits in the United new livery. Very nice model. I have checked it out just to make sure it's all good, but overall a nice addition to my fleet of Uniteds, especially with the new livery. I didn't bother getting a 737-800 in the old livery, even though there's a splits version out there. I figured because going forward, this is probably going to be the most common, and with the new paints, all the old ones are probably going to be repainted at some point. So yeah, got this one. This is going to come in handy in the future, that's for sure. But yeah, so Gemini Jets, standard box, you know. The back, it's a 2019 release, so it's only a year old. But I've had it since it came out, and I ordered it, but I haven't got around to making a video, unfortunately, guys. Anyway, inside, got some of the specs and the details. It's really nice. As always, registration on this aircraft is November 37267. And yeah, so let's unbox it and review it. Very nice. Alright, we don't like grabbing it by the tail. That was the only way. Let's push this aside. Here we go. Oh, wings are quite. I don't know if you can tell, guys, but the wings are really like. They're flared up a bit. I don't know. To me, they look on the. When the plane is just sitting here, it definitely looks like the wings are warped up a bit, like flexed up a bit. And I mean, you can kind of tell that's quite high up here, and even that one too. Not sure that was intended to be Gemini Jets, but find it interesting. Anyway, so let's go ahead and zoom in and get some. Take a look at the detail. Oh, and if you want to look at the underbelly, nothing fancy. Whoops. Nothing fancy underneath. Rolling gear and the little Gemini Jets logo in the end. One antenna, so that's not bad. Alright, here we go. So zooming in. Star Alliance logo here, obviously, and it says I cannot read that. I have absolutely no idea what it says right there. If any of you guys know, let me know. But I can, even if I pull the model up really close, I cannot read what that says. But anyway, cockpit detail is pretty good. Got the little wipers and everything that looks good. Numbers in the registration, I believe that's part of the registration on the little the gear door. Moving along, the door looks pretty good. United, new logo, the new livery. The engines, over wing exits, and the markings on the wing are really nice. And then you go into splits. So I noticed this, I'm not sure why this has so much, I guess, silver or white on it. Maybe they just didn't paint it properly, but that looks kind of, I wouldn't say ugly, it just doesn't look right. It's not like it's scratched or anything, that's just how it's come. But their splits are not bad. I personally feel like NG Models has a better split scimitar model. Just from what I've seen, but still not bad. And then going back, you have the antenna, the Wi-Fi box, and then the registration at the back with the US flag. The new tail, which is the blue, which I like. The new livery is on United's really not that bad. I know it's, some people have not taken it to it, or not liked it, but it didn't take long for this to grow on me. I just kind of miss the old livery, but you know, with the bit of gold and whatnot. But it's not bad. The blue is not bad at all. It's not like it's all white, thank goodness, or anything. So it's just a little different, and it's still pretty nice. And I like how they've got the wavy line on it now, you know, to match up with some of the other aircrafts that they got. But anyway, so that's this side. We're gonna go ahead and flip it over, spin it around to this side. So the only difference on this side, obviously you have the baggage door, which is down at the bottom there, and the split. So the split on this side looks a little bit better. So I think they just messed up on that side, the other side, with not painting it properly, which I guess that's fine. It's no biggie. Again, wing detail is really nice, and then you have the registration stuff on this side and the rear baggage door, and then the tail. So nothing super crazy, no special livery, but new livery, and it's really nice. Not bad Gemini jets, just the wings I feel like are kind of bent up a bit more than they should be. So I think they need to work on that, and maybe make sure that they paint the splits properly. Anyway, very nice model, good addition to the fleet of my United fleet, should I say. And it's gonna come in handy in the future, that's for sure, with routes, you know, across the US and whatnot. So yeah, anyways guys, I hope you all enjoyed that video, or this video, and stay tuned for more. Like and subscribe, and for now, take care. Bye bye.